We recently boarded the Disney Wish on a solo spring break cruise, and to be on the cheaper side, I booked a guaranteed inside stateroom, and then we were assigned room 9000. I looked up a tour on the interwebs, and I was like, oh, this is so tiny, so let me see how much it was to upgrade. So it was $310 to upgrade to a veranda, so that's what I did, and we went back to the room on day 2 because I was missing my packages that I ordered, and also to see if there were any fish extender gifts there since we had moved rooms. So here's a quick tour of that room. Oh my gosh. It's chocolate and a robe I was supposed to get in a rose. I ordered this and our waters. What were we getting? It's so funny that the door was like slightly open. Oh, it's Tiana room. Look how tiny this room is. No, I think we need to ask him. Yeah, I guess so. Landon, look how tiny this is. When this been okay? So this is the same size.
Come on, I'm gonna bring the chocolates out.
So this is the only bathroom. There's no split bathroom.
Let's hurry.
Hold on, wait. Landon, don't open the door. Look at this. This is the only closet. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, but I think we should go.
That is so tiny.
We're leaving.
Well, I want my robe. I paid for it.
And I got the chocolate.
Okay, wait.
We can eat them.
We went back to our original room. I booked an inside guaranteed room to see if there were any fish extender gifts because we did fish extender. We forgot one of them, Landon. Oh no. We have to take it back up. And the door, I was like, let me just see if the door is unlocked because I ordered this luxury at Sea for One and it didn't arrive. And there was a 6-pack of waters in there, but we got like a 12-pack because the person at this room ordered a 12-pack and a cupcake. The door was actually open. So I grabbed my robe, chocolates, and spumante. Isn't that exciting? And we got a rose, but we left the water. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the welcome aboard. I'll have to show the robe.
can I
I'll
have
pull it
two?
out. I don't know how I feel about this robe. It's absolutely enormous. It's got 2 things here, and I don't like the fabric all that much. There's nothing on the back. That's cute. But it's a weird, like, fleece robe. I would say don't get this package, romance package, for one. The other thing I ordered was this Disney Cruise floating speaker, which I absolutely love. But it's weird that I got this and not the waters or the luxury package for one. It was because we were driving, I decided to get this, but thankfully that showed up.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.